Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do a dumbbell squeeze press, which is a great chest exercise, and I've had lots of fun recently programming it for my clients. That video is coming up right now. So the first thing to note about the dumbbell squeeze press is that we're not going to get dumbbells that are as heavy as our bench press. So if you're benching like, I don't know, 40 kilos, you don't want 20s in each hand. You need to go lighter than that. Today I've got 8s. I mean, my chest isn't very strong. It's not my best move, the bench press. So I'm gonna work with 8s. The other thing to note as well is if you can get your hands on hexagonal dumbbells for these, much better, because you need to squeeze them together. Whereas circular ones, you might be a bit worried about slipping with them. So if you can do that, that'd be great. But equal to that, the circular ones you'll be okay with. You just might need to be a bit more cautious to begin with, till you develop the skill with which to do the workout. So you're gonna need a bench. You're gonna have that bench nice and flat. Now, like always with the bench press, I'm gonna get my knees nice and wide. I'm gonna get my ankles under my knees, so my glutes are nice and engaged. Then I'm gonna take my weights. Yep, they are the same weight. Always check they're the same weight. And we're gonna start. I'm gonna get the 2 flat pieces of the dumbbells, like so. You see that there? They're gonna be like this, okay? And then, always start high with the bench press, never start low, okay? Or a chest press. Now what I'm doing is I'm squeezing the dumbbells together and I'm bringing the weights down quite low on my body. So the top of the dumbbell is in line with the bottom of my pec. And then I'm just gonna squeeze them together and lift them up again. Squeeze them together, lift them up again. And as I'm doing it, all I'm thinking about is squeezing the dumbbells together with my chest. So I'm just thinking about squeezing through here, like so, and then that's what's moving my arms. I'm not thinking about squeezing the dumbbells together with my hands or my elbows. I'm just keeping it all quite tight and just think about pushing my chest together, and that's allowing the hands to move with absolute tension. And that's the dumbbell squeeze press. Thanks so much for being here. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. I'll speak to you real soon. Ciao, ciao.